Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone is acting weird when you use more than one finger, maybe your screen freezes, swipes don't register, or multi-touch just feels broken, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most effective ways to fix Android multi-touch problems. These tips are simple, fast, and they work on almost any device. So stick with me till the end. Let's start with the easiest fix that most people overlook. A dirty screen. Even small amounts of dust, oil, or grime can confuse your touch sensors. Grab a soft cloth and lightly dampen it with warm water. Gently clean your screen and remove any smudges. After that, try using multi-touch again. You'd be surprised how often this alone fixes the issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your gesture settings. Sometimes built-in gestures accidentally interfere with multi-touch. Open your phone's settings, search for gestures, and look for shortcuts that use finger swipes. For example, the 3-finger screenshot option. Try disabling these features one by one and test whether the problem improves. Also consider switching from gesture navigation to button navigation. Some devices handle gestures differently, and switching to buttons can instantly remove any conflicts happening under the hood. Next, make sure your phone is fully updated. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software, Update. If you see any available updates, download and install them. Bugs related to touchscreens are common, and manufacturers often fix them quietly through patch updates. Once it restarts, try multi-touch again. Now, if you've cleaned your screen, disabled conflicting gestures, and updated your device, but the issue still isn't resolved, here's the important part. It might be a hardware problem. Touch panels can wear out over time or get damaged through heat, impact, or moisture. In that case, no setting or app will fix the problem. You'll need to bring your phone to a certified technician to check the digitizer or replace the touch panel. And that's it. These are the most reliable ways to fix Android multi-touch problems. Hopefully one of these steps helped get your phone working smoothly again. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment if you want help with another issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.